everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Monday, guys. I am here working on this stackable snowman that I got from Dollar Tree. Now they're super cute, but I just thought we could bring these guys up a notch here. At least for me anyway. But you know, you have your bottom piece here. It's just plain white. And then this one here has buttons. And I already started working on this. And I figured I better video it because everybody's going to ask me how I did these once you see them. But I have a white marker. This I think I got from, my voice is still stupid. I can't believe this after weeks. It's just a white marker that I got from, I think I got it from Temu a long time ago. But I mean, you can pick up a white marker pretty much any craft store or whatever. So all I did was just take this white marker. It has this, it's like a medium tip. It's not a real super fine tip. And I just made little dots here for the little buttons and just crisscrossed them, you know, like it had a little sewing on it. This red paint, you gotta be careful. It really scrapes off very easily. I thought just from bringing it home, but just picking it up and, well, this part here on the hat, you can see it just, the slightest little scrape here scrapes it off, which I don't care about the hat because we're going to add something to it if I can, there it is. Find out what I did. So anyway, to do the scarf here, I figured I'm going to add some snowflakes on this scarf. How cute is that? And these are just real simple to draw on here with your white marker. I just make kind of a, not a complete X, but like this way, and then one down, and then just add some little dots on the ends. And that makes you a cute little simple snowflake. And hopefully you guys, for some reason, I can't today draw a straight line to save my life. Everything's wiggling. But, you know, that's what my hands do sometimes. So hopefully yours will be a little bit straighter. But yeah, how cute is that just on the scarf? I was going to try to do a fabric scarf on here, but it was just, I don't know. I am going to add a little fabric to the hat, though. And I'll show you that there when we get to it. But that's all I'm doing to make these little snowflakes. You can add more lines to them if you want, like that. Like crisscross them all the way around. But I usually just do 3. And I make it not quite like a complete X, like that way. And then just bring it down and add your little dots to them. So I won't make you watch me do all of these because I'm going to go all the way around. So I'll just do this side here and show you how I'm going to do the front too. Very simple, but I thought this would just add a little something to it instead of just being that plain plastic scarf. So I'm just going to do the same thing here, go down this scarf with it, give it some snowflakes. Yeah, my hands just don't want, I'll show you on my snowman head there that I tried, some straight lines that I tried to do. Oh, they're not good. But hopefully you've got a steadier hand. But how easy is that? Whoops, I didn't want that there. Get it off before it dries. But yeah, that's just a simple little thing where you can add a design to your scarf. I thought that was cute. So anywho, a couple more here. This is just going to be a really quick, easy video here. Put one down here. I was thinking about adding some lines down here for the scarf, but like I can't. That would be cute, just to make a whole bunch of lines down here. You know, like the nice little edges that they have on the scarf. But yeah, I figured I better just leave it alone the way my hands are working today. We'll just stick with the snowflakes. Okay, so I did that half here. I'll do the other half off camera because it takes me a few minutes to do this. All right, so that's all I'm going to do for this part. And I think that looks super cute. It makes a big, big difference instead of just plain. Let me move the bottom part here for a minute. Instead of just the plain colored plastic. All right, now for this top here, I'll show you my squiggly lines. For the eyes, I took the white marker. And I made like just like a little comma there with a dot, just to bring the eyes out a little bit because they were just plain blank. I was going to try to use one of these stickers. I'll show you the sticker set here in a minute. They had nose stickers and things, but this is like raised and it just wouldn't sit right. So we're going to just leave the nose well enough alone. And then I added this little mouth because he didn't have a mouth. So we put that on there. This is the sticker set. I got this from Amazon. This is what it's called. Here, let me get it up here so you guys can see it. If anybody wants to look that up on Amazon, it's just, is it 2 or 3 sheets? I don't remember now. I've got to pull them out. Oh yeah, here we go. Of these snowman faces. I used one on the stackable pumpkins when I made the snowman out of that too. But yeah, I stole his mouth right here. And it just has all these cute. But I wondered, this nose was too big and the other ones wouldn't sit on there, right? And it even comes with one of these giant snowman faces if you want to make a big snowman out of something. But yeah, these are great little stickers and they stick very, very well to like plastic in glass. So I'll try to link them below if I remember. If not, somebody can remind me and I will do that. But yeah, and then I just took a black Sharpie, just one of these regular fine, these are the ultra fine, right? Is that what this is called? Ultra fine point. I always get these at Dollar Tree too. And that's how I made the eyelashes, except these eyelashes are all crooked. These came out pretty good. I figured I'll keep going. Nope. And I didn't even notice when I was doing it until I was done. And I'm like, they kind of look more like spider legs. But it's okay. Nobody's going to look that close, I hope. But that's what I did to this so far. Now, I took one of these Santa hats from Dollar Tree. And I ripped off the pom-pom, which worked out well because it kind of made a hole underneath it. And we're going to use that for the top of here. And then I cut off, just took a pair of scissors and just went around and cut off the rim of the hat. And I'm going to try to add that on. I think that'll look cute on here too. So first I'm just going to add this little guy on here. Let's see. Let me see if I can get him exactly where I want it. And this fit really good. So I figured that would be great. All right, let me get some hot glue up in here. Hold that in place. Yeah, I think that's going to work out really good. All right, and then we just need to glue around it here. Okay, add a ton of glue. Now this little guy, I'm making this guy for indoors, only because I'm not putting any kind of a weight or a plate underneath the bottom because I want to light this up. And I'll show you how I'm going to do it. But this one I'm making for indoors. Now if you want to do it for outdoors, you could put other kinds of lights inside if you want to like drill a hole or something. But we're going to make this one real simple. And this will be great to give to someone too that doesn't, you know, older person, somebody who doesn't put up like a lot of decorations or something. Look how easy this is scratching off here. I don't know if you spray this, if that would help. But this paint, we're going to add some of those snowflake designs to the hat too to match the scarf. Now let me get under here, add a little bit more glue, and that'll be done. There. So there, now he has a nice little pom-pom on top of his hat. Nope, don't let go till the glue dries. Look, I just scraped some more of it off. Yeah, this red paint is awful. Awful, awful, awful. So I don't know, put enough of those white snowflakes on there, you won't notice if you scratch it at all. All right, so there. He's got his nice little pom-pom up on top. Now I'm going to take this rim here, and I'm going to take the piece that's still sewn, not the piece that I cut, because we're going to trim that off or tuck it under or something here. And I'm going to start back here on the back of the hat. And I'm just going to get some more glue is what I'm going to do. Here we go. I am just going to glue this to the top of this rim here. And we are going to, let's see, which way do I want to go? I want to go that way. So we're just going to take this where it has the nice finished edge, and we're going to go all the way around with that. And then we can trim this off after and make it all fit nice because it's wider in the back than it is in the front, but super easy. I mean, look how easy this is. Just go in that little rim there, and we are just going to keep gluing this little rim on here. Super, super easy. I love easy peasy DIY projects. And this one's a lot of fun because he's real cute. There we go. And this fits all the way around really good. So all you need is one little Santa hat. I was hoping the Santa hat was way too big though to put on top of here. So we're just going to use, we'll just take it apart because that's what I do. I am forever taking things apart from Dollar Tree and using pieces for this and that. All right. So now I'm just going to cut that off and fold it over. And little glue here. Oops, let go. A little glue down here. Then we're gonna fold this guy over so we have a nice, clean looking edge there. And then we are just gonna glue this down on here. There's not too much you have to do for this because it fits pretty darn well. We're going to tug some of that down back there, but yeah, there's really not much we're going to have to do, I don't think, because it looks pretty cute. All right, let me tip you over here so I can get your edge glued down. Oh, come back. Here we go. So now you don't see any raw edge sticking up. Now this is fine. I think all the way to over here on this side is good, except we're gonna have to glue this down because it wants to pop off. So you get down there. Here too. We're just gonna pull that down and glue it. And get my scissors out of the way. They're where I put my glue gun. There we go. So that looks pretty good in the back. Looks nice. And right here, we just need to tuck a little bit under, but first I get this piece hooked down. But the back, we're good. I don't think we need to do a darn thing back there. It looks good. Yeah, right here in the front, it's a little bit low. So we'll just tuck that under there. And make it sit up higher. Because you don't want to block the face. So just fold some over and glue it down. But that's it, right in front of the face. Pretty much the only piece we're gonna need to glue down. Oh, I think that looks real cute. Now look how nice his hat looks. All right, so we're just gonna add some more of the snowflakes to this, and I'm hoping, like right here, not to get my heat gun out and blow that glue off there. I don't want to pull it, it's gonna pull the paint off. I'm so stuck to my finger. But yeah, we're just gonna turn that into a snowflake since you want to be difficult and come off. I really like these markers. Let's see, we'll just go around the front here. I'm hoping I can kind of camouflage there where the paint came off. Not too bad. That's gonna need another one. All right. The ones that I messed up, I just add another one to it. But we're just gonna go around the front here real quick, and then I'll finish the backs of both of these off camera, just to save a little time. And they're different sizes. It doesn't matter, they're snowflakes. But anyway, that's how the hat will look with its little designs on it. And there you go, this little face. And that is it. That's all we're gonna do this. Now I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. I hate this. I'm gonna try to find a red marker and see if I can camouflage some of this where it's peeling off. Like I said, if you wanna try spraying these, I don't know. I'm very sad that that peels off so easily. The rest of it doesn't. The black, the eyes, and the stuff don't, but this red just seems to want to peel off. All right, let me finish making all of these things, snowflakes here, the rest of the way around. Then we're gonna come back, put it together, and light it up. All right, I got these all the way around. Actually, I took one of these fine point, extra fine, ultra fine point red Sharpies and kind of colored it in. It's not perfect, but you know what, from a distance, you'll never notice that some of that paint chipped off. All right, so we're gonna take our bottom here and we are going to snap these guys together. Oh, that one went together easy. All right, now I'm gonna have to raise this camera up. I don't know where to put this tabletop tripod here back farther to show. I'm gonna have to just move it somewhere else to finish doing the video here. But when I laid it up anyway, I'll move it so you guys can see the whole thing. So let's see, now you wanna kind of line up her nose with her buttons down here, so you know you're centered. Oh, that went together too easy. Because I tried to get it to, oh, you could turn this afterwards, so it doesn't matter. All right, so now what we're going to do, I'm not going to see the whole thing here. I'm going to take this out in my hallway in the dark and do a better picture of this. But I'm going to shut the lights off. And we are going to take, oh, we got another light on in here yet. While it's still on, one of these puck lights from Dollar Tree. They take 3 AAA batteries. Go shut this light off. I'm a dingling. Ooh, there we go. Don't get scared. I'm coming right back. I know it's dark. All right. Oh, that is really dark. And you're just going to turn on your puck light and just grab your little guy here and sit him on top. And look how nice that lights this guy up. Or girl, whatever. Look at that. Just from, whoops, where are you? In the center now? There we go. Just from that little puck light. So yeah, this is great for like in the house. You can see down here his belly. Yeah, cute. It just, and it lights it up all the way up to his face. So yeah, I thought that'd be a great idea. How simple. I mean, come on, you want to do it for like a kid's room, or you know, just give it to somebody who doesn't put a lot of decorations or something. All you gotta do is lift this little guy up, push your puck light, just push the top. That's how they turn on and off. That's it. One little push, and there you go. You have like one of those blow molds, light up blow molds from back in the day. Isn't that cute? How simple. But anyway, that was my little project today. I wanted to get that done. I figured I'd share it with you guys. But I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.